Okay, so now that you have the necessary background information, we're ready to get started. Since I'm using a PC, I'm in Notepad++. We're going to start very simple here, and I'm going to explain everything I do along the way. I'm going to let you guys know now that I have other courses, including an intermediate level course, which is a continuation of this course here. In this course, I don't really go too deep into detail about things. I really just give the basic concepts to get started. If you watch this course through, I give a coupon code to get my intermediate level course, which has a normal price of $150 for a deep discount at the end. So since we're about to make a website for the world to see, let's start by writing Hello World. Now we're going to come up here and save the document. What I like to do, and what I recommend you do, is make a new folder on your desktop and call it something like Websites. I already have one with that name, so I'm going to call this one Web. So now the folder name is Web. Let's name the file index.html. So we have a folder called Web and a file called index.html. And it's important that you add the .html so that your browser and computer can recognize that this is a hypertext markup language web page. Now let's go to the desktop where we've just created this new web folder, and we're going to open and view the new file that we called index. And you can see that on my computer, my default browser is Google Chrome. So since we added the .html, it already knows what to open the file in. And there it is, our first little demo of writing some simple text and viewing it. Congratulations on completing this course. Now go on and make websites. No, I'm only kidding. Let's go on to the next video.